Hey guys! We don't have good news, do we, baby? No. No, we have bad news. Yes, because baby Nitro may sakit. May sakit siya. Diba, baby? Let's show them the sakit. No, you can see there's a little one on his forehead. Pero it's here, baby. It's here. Here, hang on. Turn around. Let's have a look at your back. Can I have a look at your back? Oh, see? He's got the chicken pox, don't you, baby boy? Hey. Yes. We think it's chicken pox. So we are taking baby Nitro. Yes, okay. We're gonna take you to the doctor this morning. Hey. Yes. Dalhin kita sa doktor, baby. Yes, kasi mukhang chicken pox ka. Yes. I think the baby has chicken pox. There's one on your tummy as well, isn't there? There's a little one on your tummy. Hey. Yeah. So yun. These things started appearing kagabi. Yes, okay. Kagabi, nasa katawan na niya, yung mga spot na yan. So we're gonna take him to the doctor. Hey, baby. Yes.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
There's one there. There's a couple up here as well. Wawa, see baby Nitro. Wawa. Alright guys, so let's go. We're gonna take Nitro to the doctor. Hey buddy. Yes. See if they can give you something for chickenpox. Sabi ni Shanta sa Pilipinas, bibigyan ka ng tuba para lalabas yung mga spot mo. Pero syempre, we cannot give the baby tuba. Hello, hey baby, no.
Yung sabi nila, dun sa, sa probinsya.
Okay baby, okay.
Shake it, Dwaine.
Yeah, fix it.
Sabi nila, dun sa probinsya, pinapainom ng tuba na may egg para lumabas, tsaka may royal para lumabas yung mga chicken pox.
What?
Wala, I'm very sad na may chicken pox siya. Hindi namin alam kung saan niya nakuha. Sabi ni Dad, kasi at saka ni Mom, sabi nila, mga 2 weeks ago, pwedeng nakuha na niya. So, 2 weeks ago, nasan tayo? Sydney. Baka nakuha niya sa Sydney, hindi namin alam. Basta 2 weeks prior, lumabas yung mga rashes. Pwedeng nakuha na niya yun, tapos dala-dala niya lang. Tapos kagabi, nung pinaliguan ko siya, tapos syempre, inaano ko na siya ng lotion. Pag ganun ko, ba't may bump sa likod niya? Tapos tinignan ko, ba't parang may tubig? Naano ko, tapos pagtingin ko, mayroon pang 2 o 3 dito sa likod. Tapos, yun, natulog siya. Gising siya ng gising every hour from 11 until 2. So, 11, 12, 1, 2, gising siya ng gising. So, pinupuntahan ko siya sa room niya. Tapos, pag ngayong umaga, nung change ko na yung nappy niya, chinek ko, dumami na, meron na sa back, sa tummy, tapos sa groin area, tapos ngayon sa head niya meron na din. Kaya pupunta muna kami sa doctor ngayon, tumawag na kami. Anay bibi ha?
Bruh, look at this dude.
Oh, yes, we're going to the doctor, baby. Yes, because you're sick. Oh, yeah. Poor baby Nitro. Dada. I hope you don't get those rashes on your face. Baby Nitro. Hindi pala hospital yung pupuntahan namin. Clinic lang.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to PhilTalk today!
Alright, andito na kami. Iwan ko muna si na baby at Mami Shanta. Kasi bawal si baby sa loob kasi contagious ata siya. Yes, baby, you're
Very
contagious.
contagious ang chickenpox, kaya hindi siya pwedeng pumasok doon. Baka ano siya ng mga baby din.
Yeah. So ako lang muna, I'll book him a slot with a doctor and then
May muta ka.
kapag time na niya,
Pupunta na siya.
pupunta ako dito, kukunin ko siya, dalhin ko siya sa loob. So ako lang muna, baby. Yay! Palakpak! Okay, baby. I'll be back. Alright, sana hindi siya chickenpox. Sana it's less serious, no?
Pero feeling ko chickenpox kasi nasa ulo niya.
Is it? Andito na po tayo. Nagpipila lang po. Ay, book ko po yung appointment para kay baby. Buti na lang walang masyadong tao dito, no?
Baby shark, tit, baby shark, tit, baby shark, tit, baby shark. Nitro clack, tit, nitro clack, tit, nitro clack, tit, nitro clack. Woo, woo. Nitro clack, tit, nitro clack, tit, nitro clack, tit, nitro clack.
Okay, so nag-book na po ako ng appointment dyan. Okay na tayo. At sabi nila dahil contagious siya, kailangan mag-aantay kami sa kotse. Yun. So, mamaya na lang pagtawag nila.
Paano kita tatawagin?
They're gonna call us.
You know, I saw a baby. I think, and she has rashes as well. Dara niya, mami. Yung dara niya. Baka
Talaga?
may chickenpox mo.
Namin nagka-chickenpox dito. Oh, Nitro. You being a good boy, aren't ya? You being a good boy, baby? Oh, okay. Not being a good boy anymore. No.
Yeah, because you left it.
Habang naghihintay kami, nagda-driving muna si Nitro. Hey, baby. Yes, you driving? Ano? You drive the car? Sige na, drive na.
Sabi ng doctor, magstay daw kami sa door. Ayan na. Ayun.
Antayin muna tayo dito.
Yung tiyan niya nakikita. Ano ito? Hospital ini? Clinic.
Hindi, clinic. It's a doctor's clinic.
Why are we still here?
Okay, sure.
Alright, so his date of birth 9th of May last year.
Pox. He's got like these bumps all over him. So if you have a look here on his back,
When did he start getting?
Last night I saw this, and then
Is he going to childcare?
no.
not yet.
He's home most of the time. Sometimes we do go out to a restaurant, put him in a high chair to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, so okay, so tapos na po yung appointment ni Baby Nitro sa doctor. Sabi ni doctor na parang hindi daw chickenpox. So sana hindi. Sabi niya parang school sores lang siya. So
So parang bacteria.
yeah, bacteria lang. So he prescribed us some antibiotic stuff to give to Nitro. Sana mawala na yung mga school sore na yan.
Uy, Nitro,
Pero he did a swab test on Nitro, so we get the result back in 2 days. So after 2 days, malaman namin kung
Nitro!
ano ba talaga.
Nitro!
What? What's wrong with him?
Nakaturo.
Yeah, it's fine. He can sleep. It's his bedtime.
Ma-transfer. Diba hindi rin mag-transfer maupay?
He'll transfer. He'll be fine.
So, ito yung binigay ng doctor sa amin. Lalagay siya sa fridge. Ano siya? Liquid. Just in case school sore siya or impetigo, ito yung antibiotic na binigay sa kanya. Kung impetigo siya, lalabas yung mga sores niya or yung mga rashes niya 4 to 10 days after exposure. So, pwedeng na-expose siya 10 days ago, tapos ngayon lang lumabas. impetigo if school source or impetigo nga yung meron siya at hindi chickenpox. Ang chickenpox 2 weeks ago niya nakuha yun.
Oh, it's getting worse. Look, it's spreading all over his body. Here, let's take your temperature. Let's take your temperature, please. Here we go, ready? Ready, baby, ready? It says 36. But hang on, I gotta put it in his ear, then press it. Wait, ready? Huh? This one? This one? 36.9.
Yeah, because
Kanina, it was 38, diba?
but I gave him Panadol. That's why naglasing niya. Don't play with it, Nitro. It's not for...
Let it go, let it go. Have this one, you can have that one. Look at him. Oh, Nitro.
Chickenpox ito.
Go back a bit. Maybe Nitro, you have some on your neck, your ear. Oh, here's the dung growing everywhere. Got one on his bum.
It's not one. The damo ito, it's like 5 in there.
Go, baby. It has to be chickenpox, eh? It's gotta be chickenpox.
It's chickenpox. Kasi meron din siya sa ulo niya.
Kahit sabi ng doctor na school sores lang, hindi yata ganyan yung school sores lang.
No,
Basta antayin natin yung swab
Sa Tuesday.
result sa Tuesday. It's alright, you're coming back. Oh no, you've got chicken pox, boy. You've got the chicken pox.
Where did you get it, Nitro?
That's what happened to you. How did you get the chicken pox,
Incubation period ng chickenpox is in 7 to 10 days. So
Just gotta isolate for 10 days.
no, incubation. I mean like before the rashes appears.
For the rest.
Appear. I mean, yeah, he has it like nakuha na niya like 10 days ago pa.
Okay, calm down, calm down. I don't want to touch his back. I can't get chicken pox so I can see him.
Actually,
Did you get that from boy? What did you do?
he wants this one. He wants it.
That one? You have that one? No, you don't want that one. You don't know what you want, do you? Alright, so, ayun guys. I think Nitro has chicken pox. So, antayin natin yung result in 2 days. Okay, Nitro. Hopefully you get better.
Bye-bye. You say bye-bye to the vlog.
Yeah, bye-bye. Good boy. Bye-bye. Nice.
Beautiful eyes? Beautiful eyes? Kanina, nag-beautiful eyes siya kan nanay. Nag-video call kami. Beautiful eyes, baby? Beautiful eyes, baby?
Oh, he wants that. Don't do that. No, you can't have that. You can't have that.